So here we are going to talk about template literals. What exactly is template literals? So template literals is a way by which you can use variable names inside a string, and in many other language you can say it as concatenation. So now let us go to the example. Suppose let name equals to Tanzim and let profession equals to web developer. Now if I want to print it in a single line in the ES5 or previously, I had to do something like this. Then I had to break the string and it needs to be username. Since JavaScript, if you write name, it might throw you an error. So for staying on the safe side, I'm using your username. His username is this, and his profession is profession. Now if we look at this on the node script.js, if you look at the output, so his name is his name Tanzim 101, his profession is web developer. Okay, so this is good, this is not bad, but the problem is every time we need to break the string and concatenate it using plus sign. And this is also fine for knowing, but as of late there is something called template literals, or in Dart they say as a string interpolation. So what happens is you just can easily do string interpolation. Now let me show you the ES6 way. What you need to do is the first step of string interpolation is while working on a project in several places, you need to print like username, you need to print user information, maybe age. So instead of using this, you need to use something with tilde. And as you can see, the tilde, if you search on your keyboard, you will find this. So this is what you will place here. And now what I can do is, his name is, we need to insert a dollar and a curly brace, dollar and a curly brace, user name, and profession is profession. So now if we check the console, we will get the same result. Okay, so now we can easily see that how easy it is. So what you will do is, the first step is use backticks or tilde, double tilde. So backticks or double tilde instead of this. And the other thing is, instead of breaking the string, use dollar and curly brace inside double backticks. So this is very much clear. It's the way of using or printing variable inside string. So in traditional way we used to do it like this. Let me just comment it out so that you guys can understand it better. So now if you see, this is the way, but we had to break the string and concatenate it. So now what we can do is, instead breaking it, we can just use backticks or tilde, and inside the string, inside the tilde or inside the backticks, just use the dollar sign and curly brace and just name your variable. You can get it easily printed. So I guess you guys are clear, and this is a very easy and a very important concept. And the other thing about this is, this helps a lot when you're printing out things instead of going the ES5 way. So I guess you're very much clear. Thank you.